Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to integrate Copilot with Outlook. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser and then search for the Outlook. Now, if you have the Outlook application on your device, then you can use that as well. Okay, after that, you just have to log into your account. And then once you're here, just click on this icon at the top level of your screen or the app launcher. And then here you have the Microsoft 365 Copilot. Just simply click on this one. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. And here you have the chat option. So just have to click on this one. And then in order for you to use the Microsoft 365 Copilot, you have to upgrade your Microsoft 365 to use this feature. So with a Microsoft 365 plan upgrade, you get access to an AI powered chat that will help you find what you need. You can create with ease and stay on top of things right in your flow of work. So after you buy the Microsoft 365, then you can now use the Microsoft Copilot. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.